Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to utilize Trello's Task Dependencies Power-Up, the 2025 guide. This will be your go-to guide to streamline your project management and keep track of tasks that are dependent on each other. First things first, you need to enable the Task Dependencies Power-Up. To do this, go to your Trello board, click Show menu on the right, select Power-Ups, and then find Task Dependencies. Click Enable. Now that we've done that, you can see an option to add dependency on each of your cards. This is important because it allows us to create a sequence of tasks that are dependent on each other, enhancing your team's efficiency. Next up, let's add a dependency. Click on any card, you'll see Add Dependency. Click it and select another card that this task depends on. This helps us because it makes sure you complete tasks in the right order, avoiding potential project delays or mix-ups. Now that we've created a dependency, you'll see a chain icon on your card. If you hover over it, it will show you the card it's dependent on. The reason we do this is to provide a visual reminder of task sequences, keeping everyone on the same page. But what if you need to remove a dependency? Just click on the card, go to the dependency you want to remove, and click Remove. It's vital to update dependencies as tasks change or are completed to keep your project running smoothly. What's happening behind the scenes when you add, remove, or complete a dependency is that Trello automatically updates the related cards. This is key as it ensures everyone is aware of the project's current status, reducing the risk of miscommunication. Lastly, you can also set up dependency notifications. Go to Settings, in the Task Dependencies Power-Up, and click Enable Notifications. This means you'll be alerted when a task you're dependent on is completed, so you can start your task right away. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide on how to utilize Trello's Task Dependencies Power-Up. Remember, establishing clear task dependencies can significantly boost your project's efficiency and transparency. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.